On behalf of Luna Labs USA, I'd like to welcome you to our presentation on an advanced sealant for next-generation transparent armor service life. Technology development during this effort was led by polymer experts at Luna Labs, with funding from the United States Marine Corps SBIR program under topic number N181-001. Luna Labs USA is a technology resource for the aerospace, energy, automotive, health sciences, first responders, telecommunications, and defense communities. For over 20 years, we have been working directly with customers, government labs, defense contractors, hospitals, and universities. Our solutions create additional capabilities for defense and professional end users that save time, save money, and save lives. The skills and experience we bring to bear in our primary markets can also address unique challenges in other fields. We partner with universities, government labs, and the best companies in the world to explore the feasibility of new ideas, align technologies with customer needs, and generate solutions. Working with a robust global network of manufacturers, suppliers, licensees, and distributors, Luna Labs develops everything from small-scale prototypes up to market-ready products. Our biotech group develops non-regulated medical training and support products, along with medical device and pharma technologies. The systems engineering group develops tools for asset monitoring, non-destructive evaluation, and data analytics that can be applied to a variety of fields. Finally, the materials group, who has led efforts to develop the transparent armor sealant, has underlying expertise in polymers and chemistry that leads to solutions for coatings, sealants, textiles, composites, energy applications, and devices requiring unique electromagnetic properties. The U.S. Marine Corps are trained, organized, and equipped as a force in readiness. Part of this operational readiness requires that the transparent armor used in Marine Corps armored tactical vehicles to perform effectively. Transparent armor provides ballistic protection and visible transparency for the warfighter. It consists of layers of optically clear glass and polycarbonate autoclaved together with an interlayer adhesive. The laminate is then secured into frames with a sealant or gasket and attached to the vehicle. The U.S. military's tactical vehicle fleet transparent armor is relatively expensive and is showing signs of delamination in 3 to 4 years. This results in frequent replacement of installed windshields. Delamination can impede the warfighter's ability to visualize threats and the environment. To compound the problem, existing stocks of transparent armor awaiting installation can delaminate before they are deployed. This is especially problematic for the Marine Corps, where cost-effective agility is critical in maintaining superiority. The objective of this SBIR program was to develop innovative materials, designs, test methodology, and manufacturing processes that can extend transparent armor service life, reduce maintenance and lifecycle costs, and increase readiness. With these goals in mind, Luna Labs has developed a technology that will be transitioned directly to the original equipment manufacturers producing transparent armor for the U.S. military. As a part of this effort, transparent armor incorporating the Luna Labs technology will undergo advanced testing and qualification by these manufacturers under ATPD 2352 Revision U. With success, advanced transparent armor assemblies with extended surface life will be transitioned by these manufacturers to a variety of Marine Corps ground vehicle platforms, as well as other platforms in the defense community utilizing transparent armor. While the exact cause of delamination has historically been unknown, studies have shown that an incompatibility between the transparent armor and the commercial potting sealants used to secure the armor into frames can initiate the delamination process. While gaskets can be used, commercial potting sealants are the most cost-effective option for manufacturing transparent armor. These commercial sealants are the primary driver of delamination on ground vehicles, with moisture and thermal cycling increasing the rate of delamination and the rate at which they need to be replaced. Transparent armor manufacturers are currently seeking new potting sealant options that can prevent delamination, extend service life, and help qualify and transition their transparent armor products under the ATPD 2352 Revision U purchase description. As a part of this multi-phase SBIR program, Luna Labs has developed a sealant solution that enables manufacturers to meet this goal. The sealant does not contain chemical contaminants, which are the primary driver of delamination. The sealant also offers low temperature flexibility to prevent thermal expansion mismatch, is low cost, and easily integrates with existing manufacturer dispensing equipment. With recent success in testing under ATPD 2352, Luna Labs anticipates that the sealant will extend transparent armor service life beyond 6 years to improve lifecycle costs, supply chain issues, and readiness. The Luna Labs sealant is a tough, flexible, and environmentally durable polyurethane potting sealant formulated with commercial off-the-shelf components. Luna Labs is focused on optimizing the sealant chemistry and properties, scaling up sealant production and dispensing capabilities, improving manufacturing control, and conducting comprehensive testing with common vehicle transparent armor windshields and windows. Our most promising sealant candidates are contaminant-free to reduce delamination, fogging, and loss of visibility. They provide excellent adhesion to a variety of substrates to prevent moisture and other fluids from contaminating the armor and accelerating delamination. They offer superior mechanical properties to prevent deformation and potential gap formation along the edges of the transparent armor, and easily integrate into existing transparent armor manufacturing lines. The initial market for the Luna Labs sealant is transparent armor for military ground vehicles within the Marine Corps and the Army, including emerging platforms such as the JLTV. Additional markets include transparent armor and safety glass used by the State Department and the Department of Homeland Security. Additional opportunities include laminated glass, such as hurricane-rated windows used in coastal environments, as well as laminated glass for architectural applications. ATPD 2352 Revision U qualification requires manufacturers to produce transparent armor assemblies that pass 12 cycles or approximately 120 days of accelerated environmental testing. The test exposes assemblies to both thermal cycling and high temperature, high humidity conditions for long periods of time. Following cycle 12, the transparent armor must show low to no delamination. The commercial sealants currently used by manufacturers cause the transparent armor to rapidly fail in the ATPD 2352 accelerated test before cycle 4, preventing these manufacturers from qualifying products and transitioning them to the defense community. To date, there is only one commercial polysulfide sealant that has enabled transparent armor to pass all 12 cycles. However, this sealant is extremely expensive and drastically increases the cost of transparent armor to the end user, making it potentially cost prohibitive. In early 2022, the Luna Labs team successfully passed 10 out of the 12 cycles in the ATPD test using a low-cost polyurethane sealant, where testing was conducted on small coupons produced by a transparent armor manufacturer. The sealant was low cost and easily applied to the transparent armor coupons, and while coupons did not pass all 12 cycles, results allowed the team to create a pathway for refining the sealant further. Following the initial round of testing, our team refined the potting sealant to successfully pass all 12 cycles of ATPD 2352 testing using similar transparent armor coupons. Evaluations were conducted by a third-party test site, enabling our team to achieve a TRL of 5. Current efforts now include additional optimization to reduce the risk of sealant degradation during testing or in the field. While sealant degradation does not impact delamination performance, our goal is to ensure the sealant is resistant to UV, weathering, and degradation in the field to last 6 years or more. Following coupon testing with an optimized finalized sealant, our team will initiate a larger test matrix where full-size transparent armor windshields and windows will be evaluated by a third-party test site under the ATPD 2352 accelerated test. This will include windshields from various vehicle platforms, including the Humvee, MRAP, and JLTV. Testing will also include transparent armor windshields produced by multiple companies to ensure the sealant can extend the service life of transparent armor from different manufacturers. With success during this test matrix, Luna Labs expects to achieve a TRL of 6. The team also plans to refine quality control procedures with the transparent armor manufacturers to ensure the sealant is dispensed and potted appropriately into assemblies and to ensure extended service life. In parallel, Luna Labs will pursue scale-up with a contract manufacturer to produce the required annual volumes of sealant for a variety of end users. Final ATPD 2352 evaluations of Humvee, MRAP, JLTV, and other vehicle platform windshields with a scaled-up sealant will provide a path for sale of the sealant product to these manufacturers before formal transition of extended service life transparent armor occurs. Current options for securing transparent armor into the metallic frames include commercial sealants, aerospace polysulfide sealants, or gaskets. Commercial sealants provide the lowest cost option for transparent armor, but almost all contain contaminants that result in early onset delamination. Aerospace polysulfide sealants are an excellent option due to their properties and their ability to prevent delamination. However, these sealants are expensive and cannot scale to meet manufacturing requirements for transparent armor. Furthermore, polysulfide sealants require unique dispensing that is not currently used by the majority of transparent armor manufacturers. Gaskets are a unique option due to their low cost and scalability. However, gaskets require more intense manufacturing procedures and sometimes even redesign of the transparent armor laminate or frame. With further optimization to pass all 12 cycles of the ATPD 2352 test on full-size windshields, the Luna Labs sealant will represent the greatest option for reducing delamination and transitioning a durable transparent armor product to the defense community. The sealant adds minimal cost to the price of the transparent armor assembly. It is easily scalable through the use of commercial off-the-shelf components and is easily dispensed using the manufacturer's existing equipment. Following successful ATPD 2352 testing on full-size transparent armor windshields, Luna Labs will rapidly scale up sealant production to meet the demands of transparent armor manufacturers. With continued success in testing, full-scale production of the sealant will occur in parallel to sealant integration at these manufacturers. On-demand production by Luna Labs tool manufacturer will enable our team to sell the sealant to meet the demands of the transparent armor industry. Ultimately, these efforts will allow manufacturers to transition the next generation of extended service life transparent armor to the Marine Corps and defense community for a variety of vehicle platforms. The primary market for the sealant will be the manufacturers delivering transparent armor to the Defense Logistics Agency, vehicle OEMs, and the rest of the defense community. Currently, the Defense Logistics Agency procures replacement transparent armor to meet the needs of various vehicle platforms in the Army, Navy, and Marine Corps. The Marine Corps alone requires hundreds of replacement windshields per year, valued at over $25 million. With extended service life, Luna Labs expects to reduce this cost burden to the Marine Corps and Defense Logistics Agency. Additional markets will include new vehicle platforms, such as the JLTV. It is anticipated that up to 40,000 additional JLTV vehicles will be delivered to the defense community in the next 10 years, and most, if not all, will require transparent armor that passes ATPD 2352 Revision U testing. On average, each transparent armor windshield or window requires 4 to 5 pounds of sealant. This represents a market of $3 million to $5 million per year for a new sealant. Additional applications in the Department of State and Department of Homeland Security, as well as naval vessels and security windows in the private sector, will create an increased market size. While polysulfide sealants and gaskets are still alternative options, there are currently no other low-cost sealants that exist to address this issue. Thank you for joining our presentation on Luna Labs' advanced sealant for next-generation transparent armor service life. For additional information on the program, sealant, or commercial opportunities, please contact either the technical lead, Jesse Kelly, or the director of Luna Labs Materials Research Group, Brian Kuhn.